Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Analytics Expert. In this channel you will get excellent knowledge of MIS, analytics, data science, BI developer, VBA developer. So if you are looking good knowledge and you are looking very good uh, job like business analyst, data analyst, MIS reporting analyst, data scientist, you can subscribe my channel to get these types of knowledge. Okay, so today I'm going to let you know how we can find duplicate value in this range. I have to find duplicate value, need to highlight in red color, and unique value need to do in green color, need to highlight in green color. So how we can do it? Let's see the practical approach. So here I'm moving on my module, for loop module. This is my for loop module. I'm removing previous code. So I'm writing here sub highlight highlight duplicate and unique. Okay, duplicate should be red and unique should be green. Okay, so first I'm going to activate the sheet. I have to apply here two loops. So I'm writing dim counter 1 comma counter 2 as integer, and one more variable I have to declare my val comma my val my value. Okay, so in my val I will store this value, and same value I will find out in this complete range. If value is more than 1, that means this value is duplicate. If value is only 1, that means that is a unique. So let's see. For counter 1 equal to 1 2, how many data we have? We have, let's see, I'm removing extra data, I'm taking 100 of data. So here we have 100 data, so I'm executing my loop 100 time, and I'm taking this value I want to take in my variable. I want to store my value in my variable, my val variable. So I'm going to store range a concatenate counter 1. Okay, first value will get stored, this value will get stored first time, and same value will check in same range. Okay, 90 will be stored in my val first time, and 90 will be checked in entire data range. So again I will have to loop counter 2 equal to 1 to 100. Again I am executing my loop 1 to 100, because 100 value I have to check in same range. One by one value I will check in same range. So that's why I have written 1 to 100 here and 1 to 100 here. I'm going to write here if range, I'm taking here, wait, I'm just declaring one more variable, my val 2, and I'm taking here my val 1. Okay, so here a1 value I'm storing in my val 1, and my val 2 I'm storing same value, range a concatenate, but here I have to use counter 2 as a row reference. Okay, now first value I will get into my val 1, and my val 2 I will get stored same value. So both the value will match, then I will get data count. So I'm taking one more variable, data count. Okay, and here I need to write if range, not range, my val one value is equal to val my val 2. If both are equal, then I have to increase the data count value. Okay, so I need to write here data count equal to data count plus 1. Okay, now if my data count is more than 1, if my data count value will be more than 1, more than 1 means duplicate. If 2 is if we are getting 2 in data count, it means this value is duplicate. If 90 is again I am finding in downside, then it means it's duplicate. Okay, so I will have to write here condition. If data count equal to 2, then I need to exit from this loop. Exit exit for means which loop? Second loop. Within this loop I have written exit for, that's why I will exit from second loop. Okay, then I have to write here and if, and I have to close this and if, this if. Okay, then writing here next counter to, and I need to highlight now. Again I have to write similar condition. If data count is 2, then I have to highlight. What need to highlight? Cell color. So I need to write here range a concatenate counter 1 cell will be highlighted. Interior dot color index equal to, for green I need to write here I think 6. Okay, else means only unique. Okay, so I need to write here range, I can write here greater than equal to 2, but here I'm exiting this for loop after my data count will be 2. That's why I have written here data count equal to 2 means duplicate. For duplicate I have taken green color. Sorry, I need to take a red color, so I'm going to write here 3. Okay, so here I'm writing counter equal to, sorry, counter 1 dot interior dot color index equal to 6, and if next counter, I'm joining as a manager. Now let's see. First value I received in my val1 90. Same 90 will check in entire data range. So again I have executed this second loop. Let's see. Again 90 is here. So 90 is here, 90 is here. It means it will execute this line. So my data count is 1 now. Okay. My data count is not equal to 2. So I will skip this one. Okay. Now second value is not 90, so it's skipping. Okay, if is skipping. Okay, press F5. You can see here, sorry, something is wrong here. You know, 6 is yellow. I'm taking here 4. 4 means green. Okay, so here I have done something, some mistakes. Actually, after highlighting the value, I need to do data count equal to 0. Okay, data count 0 means I have, whenever have already counted this 90 value number of times, so after highlighting the value, next data count I have to take for 13. So I need to take data count equal to 0 here, then you can get data count for 13. Otherwise, if you do not take here data count 0, then 90 count, suppose 90 count is 2, again it will add 13. If 13 count is 3 times, it will add into 90 count in data count. Okay, press F5. You can see here, whatever value you are looking in red, that is a duplicate value. Whatever value you are looking in green, that is a unique value. That's it for this video. I'm a trainer of data science, data analytics, data BI developer, and MIS analyst. If you are looking very good training of advanced Excel, VBA, MS Access, MS Access VBA, Power BI, Tableau, SQL Server, R and Python, you can come to me for very good knowledge. Thank you so much.